Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi grade 5, how are you today? I hope you're doing good. And now we are going to learn English. The subtopic is relative pronoun. You can see it from your book chapter 4. Grab your book and your pen, then watch this video carefully. Good luck! And for the vocabulary, please listen and repeat after the speaker. Let's start.
Hole, hole. Hunt, hunt. Tiny, tiny. Mammals, mammals. Insect, insect. Backwards, backwards.
Please open your student book, page 33, and listen to the speaker.
Activity 1. Read, guess, and match the paragraphs to the photos. Then listen and check your answers.
Amazing birds. 1. Woodpecker. This is a bird which makes holes in trees. It's also a famous bird in cartoons. 2. Owl. This is a bird which sleeps during the day and hunts at night. It eats small mammals, insects, and fish. 3. Parrot. This is a bird which is colourful and can talk. It lives all over the world. 4. Ostrich. This is a bird which is very big and heavy. It has got wings, but can't fly. 5. Hummingbird. This is a bird which is tiny and can fly backwards. It can fly very fast. It's the smallest bird in the world.
As you know that we are going to talk about relative pronoun, and there are two relative pronouns. The first one is which, and the second is who. And for this today's topic, we are going to focus on which. And for the relative pronoun who, we are going to learn it tomorrow. And who is used for people, but which is used for things, places, and animals. So what is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun which is used to combine two sentences into one sentence only, because which is used for animal, places, or things. That's why the example of this is a bird which makes holes in trees, using which because bird is an animal. Take a look at example here. Combine sentence number 1 and number 2. The first sentence is, this is a bird. And the second sentence is, it is tiny and can fly backwards. So if we want to combine those two sentences, we are going to erase the subject it and change it with which. And it becomes, this is a bird which is tiny and can fly backwards. Another example is, this is a bird, and the second sentence, it sleeps during the day and hunts at night. So we are going to combine them by erase the subject it. And it becomes, this is a bird which sleeps during the day and hunts at night. Another example is the sentence number 1, this is a bird. And sentence number 2, it is colorful and can talk. So we are going to combine those two sentences by erase subject it and change it with which. And the sentence will be like this. This is a bird which is colorful and can talk. And the last example is the first sentence. This is a bird, and the second sentence, it is very big and heavy. So we are going to combine those two sentences by erase the subject it and change it with which. And the sentence will be like this. This is a bird which is very big and heavy. For your exercise, please open your workbook page 30 and look at activity 2 and 3. For the activity 2, join the sentences use which. Remember, you only need to write which. Tidak usah ditulis that-nya, hanya which-nya aja yang ditulis. Like the example number 1, I have got a parrot. That is sentence number 1, and sentence number 2 is it talks. What you need to do is to change it with which. So the answer will be I have got a parrot which talks. For the activity 3, think of objects or pets that you have got and write sentences using which. Please remember, only use which. You don't have to write that. Karena itu hanya pilihan mau tulis that atau which. For the example is, I have got a cat which is cute and funny. And that is for today's topic. And please make sure you repeat the lesson again and again, and don't forget to do your exercise and give it to Miss Rasti. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.